Hello dear students, welcome to Gate Academy Global, and today I am going to discuss is what in our last video I have done with the rank and the concept of dependency, and now I will have the relationship between the rank and the solution of the simultaneous linear equations. That means how the linear equations are related with the rank. That means what? First of all, we have to consider some equations, right? So I am having a set of simultaneous linear simultaneous, or we can say equations. That means what? We are having there two types of equations, right? We are having two types of equations. If I am saying the linear equations or the set of linear equations or the system containing the linear equations, then we have two types of linear equations. The number one is what? Ax is equal to b. This is referred as what? This is referred as non-homogeneous system or non-homogeneous linear equation. It is non-homogeneous, right? Non-homogeneous, correct? And if I am saying Ax is equal to 0, then it is referred as what? Homogeneous. Homogeneous. Okay. So here we are having Ax is equal to b, and again I am having Ax is equal to 0. Then what will be the solution? So first of all, and what will be the solution? That means what? We have to find the value of x. That's the first thing. The another thing is what? Here in GATE examination, the question is to be asked what? The system equation is consistent or inconsistent. The first and important case, and the second is important case, the equations which are having what? Unique solution, which are having what? Your infinite solution, and again no solution. There are three cases, right? So I am having Ax is equal to b. First of all, I am considering three set of linear simultaneous equations. Let us having the number one. I am having here x plus 2y is equal to 3, and the another one, let us suppose 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. Here I am having the non-homogeneous linear simultaneous equations again in set 2. Let us suppose I am having set 2. The first equation is same, I am having x plus 2y is equal to 3, and the another equation, let us change the another equation. I am having here 2x plus 4y is equal to 6. In number 3, I am having the first equation exactly same, and the another equation I am having here 2x plus 4y is equal to, let us suppose I am having here 5 or 4 or something. Okay. So here we are having the three sets of linear simultaneous equations. Why I am having this, or why I am considering these three systems? For telling you what the concept of what solution it is depends upon how it is related with the rank, right? So I am having this equation, just solve this equation, or just if I want to go through the method like elimination method or the method like graphical method. First of all, let us suppose I am having the graphical method. If I am having the graphical method here, okay, here I am having the graphical method, okay. So that means what? We need to draw it first. So I am having x and y axis. If I want to draw it, let us suppose x is equal to 0, which is y axis, and y is equal to, here we have 3 by 2, that means 1.5. Let us suppose the point is 3 by 2 or 1.5, right? The another one, when I am having y is equal to 0, the x is equal to 3. So let us suppose this point is x is equal to 3, and this point is 1.5, which is y is equal to 1.5. Okay. Now the another line, 2x. Let us suppose at y axis 2x, that means x is equal to 0. Here we have y is equal to 5 by 3. Y is equal to 5 by 3, right? Y is equal to 5 by 3. That means 1 point something. So 1 point something we are having here, and again, if I am having x is equal to, then I am having y is equal to 0, that means x is equal to 5 by 2, that means 2.5. So at the value of y is what? 5 by 3, that means what? 3, 1 are 3, we have 2, that means 3, 6, that means more than 1.5, right? More than 1.5, that means here we can have, and again I am having 2.5, so this will be, let us suppose this will be 2.5. So the point is what? Let us suppose this point 1 and 1. If I am having here, if by elimination I want to solve then we need to apply 2 here, that means this value is 4, this value is 6. Let's suppose we are subtracting this, then 2x cancel out, 4 minus 3y, that means y, and 6 minus 5 is equal to 1, that means we have the value x is equal to 1. By putting x is equal to 1, we are having y is equal to 1, so this point is 1 1, right. Here we are having the only one intersection point between the two lines, then it is referred as what? Unique solution. Here I am having only one intersection point between two lines, that means it is only one solution, only one point solution, or it is referred as what? Unique solution, right. This is the concept of class 9th. Okay, now in the second case I am having here, though in the second case the first line is exactly same, I am having the first line is same, that means what? Here I am having 1.5 and here I am having 3, that means 3 and 1.5, no problem at all with the first line. Okay, now the second line, 2x is equal to, or 2x plus 4y is equal to 6. If I am having 2x is equal to 0, that means y is equal to 3. Again this y is equal to I am having what? 6 by 4, that means what? 3 by 2, that means what? 1.5, again this. And if I am having y is equal to 0, we have x is equal to 3, again this. So the second line is what? The second line is what? The second line is the same line, that means we can have the collinear system, that means what is we are having the two collinear lines, and this is referred as what? This is referred as multi-point solution, or we can have here infinite number of solutions. We are having here infinite number of solutions. So in the single intersection point we are having what? Unique solution. So this is what? Unique solution. Then how it is related with the rank? We will discuss this further, right? Again the third system, if I am having here the third system. So the first equation is same, so there is no problem at all while drawing it. We are having x is equal to 3 and again y is equal to 1.5, and the line is what? 1.5 and 3. Now the next major concern is what? To draw the second line, right? So if I am having 2x is equal to 0, that means we are having y is equal to 5 by 4, that means 1 point what we have 1.2 or 1.2 something, that means here we have the line, again this is the value of y, and now if I am having y is equal to 0, I am having x is equal to 5 by 2, that means 2.5, and again here we have 2.5. So if I am drawing this, I am joining these 2 points, what I am having is the parallel system, the parallel line system. See the blue line and red line, both lines are parallel, that means there is no intersection point. So if there is no intersection point, there is no point solution, or we can have here what? Parallel system. And in the 9th class we have the theorem that two parallel lines are intercept at the infinity, that means two parallel lines are not intercepting to each other, that means here we have no solution. So here we have no solution. Then how this systems are and how the solutions are related with the rank? So we need to have some kind of relation with this system. So what is the linear algebra? First of all we need to understand what is the linear algebra. What is the linear algebra? The linear algebra is what? The linear algebra is the method in which we need to solve this kind of equation with the help of the matrix. So we need to have this matrix, we need to have this what? This equation converted into the matrix representation. So I am wiping it out and I will relate these 3 cases in the case of rank. With the case of rank, just we need to relate these 3 cases. So we have the concept of what we can say consistency or inconsistency or unique solution or infinite and no solution, which is related with the rank after wiping it out. So dear students, first of all we need to draw the augmented matrix. And what will be the augmented matrix? The coefficient matrix and known matrix which are collected together, it is referred as what? Augmented matrix. And what is the coefficient matrix for the system 1? If I am having the system 1 like this, the matrix is of 2 cross 3, I am having this, the values are what? Here we have 1, right? 1, 2, and then after equal we have 3 here, and here we have 2, 3 and 5. This is the system first. Now the second system, in the matrix representation we are having the second system like this. I am having here 1, 2 and 3 because the first equation I am having here the same equation as in we are having, or we can see the three systems with the first equation is absolutely same, right. In the second equation we are having here 2, 4 and 6. In number 3 the equation is what? 1, 2 and 3, and another equation is what? 2, 4 and 5. Okay. So this is the augmented matrix. In this matrix we have augmented, or we have collected together two matrices, that means matrix A, which is referred as coefficient matrix, which is combined with the second matrix, which is what? Matrix B. So here we have the matrix A, and if I am having, or if I am seeing this from here to here, then it is referred as what? Matrix AB, and this is what? Matrix A. It is absolutely simple. This is what? Matrix A, as you can see here. This is the coefficient matrix, and this was the, what we can say, the column vector which is augmented with the matrix A, and it is referred as what? Matrix AB. And again I am having here the same case, A and AB. Okay. So now dear friends, we need to just relate this matrix, because we have done with the previous video, we have done with the concept of rank. That means we need to just relate this equation solution with the help of the rank. Okay. So what is the rank? Rank, that means what? Maximum number of independent rows and columns, which is minimum. That means here we are having here the matrix is of 2 cross 3, right? Here we have the matrix of 2 cross 3. And again we have the matrix of 2 cross 3, right? Okay. Now the first matrix, the very first matrix, in very first matrix, if I want to check the rank of A and rank of AB combined together, that means the rank of A and rank of AB, the main concern is of rank of A and rank of AB. Now again, if I want to see the relationship, as in previous video I have told you, if there is a relationship, that relation converts into the nullity, right? That means the nullity which is not counted in the counting of rank. So here we are having here 1, 2, 3 and 2, 3 and 5. If you just want to relate it, there is only 2 rows which are need to be related, right? And if we are having only 2 rows, that means we can apply the scalar product, or we can having the proportional relationship. So if 1 is related with 2, which is 2 times, but how can we relate 2 and 3, which is 2 times? There is no possibility. And 3 and 5, there is another, never ever having the possibility. That means what? The R1 and R2 both are independent. That means for in the case of A, right? Just look at here only. Just eliminate, I am eliminating, or we can say we are hiding this part. So at A, in the case of A, I am having the rank 2, and again if I am including 3 and 5, I am having the rank 2. That means it is equal, and it is 2, and it is number of independent, or number of, we can say, the variables, number of variables, right? Number of variables. So in the case of, because I am having here the unique solution, if I have solved it, with the help of elimination method or with the help of graphical method, I am having the only one intercept point. That means I am having only unique solution, and for unique solution we are concluded here the rank of A and rank of AB, which is equal to 2 and which is equal to number of variables. This is what the concept from the class 9th we are having, and we are related with the rank because we know the concept of rank. Now the next one. Okay, in the next we can say the matrix, or in the next system, or in the next equation system, we are having here 1, 2, 3 and 2, 4, 6, which is definitely it is related. If I am saying here what is R1 and how can it is related with the R2, then you can see R2, okay, R2 is equal to what? 2R1, clear? 2 times, 2 times and 2 times. So R2 is equal to 2R1, that means what? We can say R2 can be converted into 0, and if you want to calculate the rank, you cannot include, or we just need not to include this 0, that means R2 is not counted in the concept of, or in the counting of rank, we will not include ever at all. And now only R1 is independent, or it is single row. That means if it is single row, then it is only independent, because if you are having only one element in the entire matrix of n cross n, the rank of matrix is 1 if you are having the one non-zero element, right? So I am having here what? Only R1 is independent, that means rank of A is equal to rank of AB, because R2 is 0, is equal to 1, which is less than variables. So this is what the concept of, here we have the solution. What? Here we have the solution in system 2. I am having here the two collinear lines. The number of intersection point or number of intercept point is what? Infinity, the many point solution. So here we have, in this system, we can say for the infinity solution, or for the system which is having the infinity solution, the rank of A is equal to rank of AB, which should be less than what? Number of variables. Now the third case we are having here. The third case is very special case. The third case is a special. How it is special? We can see here how it is special, because if you want to see R1 and R2, it is both are partially related. How can we see it is partially related? Just see with A matrices, right? Just have the A matrix. Here we are having the matrix A. You can see R1 and R2, right? Only for matrix A, R1 and R2 are related. I am having only matrix A. This R1 and R2 are related. R1 into 2 is equal to R2, or you can say R2 is equal to 2R1. That means here, if I am having some kind of operations like this, R2 is changed by R2 minus 2R1, right? I am having here this kind of what we can say operations or transformations I am having here. So in matrix A, only in matrix A, we have what? We have this row, or this we can say 2 and 4 related or dependent in this. That means this 2 should be vanishes, this 2 should be 0, but it is not related with this 2. That means what? The last part, the column B, or we can say the matrix AB, if I want to multiply here 2, I am having 6, and 5 minus 6 is not equal to 0. That means it is not related. So if I am having this kind of operation, what is the conversion of the matrix? We are having here 1, 2, and again 3, and I am having here 0, 0, and what we are having here 3 into 2, that means 5 minus 6, that means minus 1. Okay. So what is the conclusion of this story? The conclusion of this story, let's suppose we are having here matrix A and this is matrix B. Then what is the moral of the, or what is the conclusion of the story? Here we are having the rank of A. Please see here, the rank of A, we can count only this R1, then rank of A is equal to 1, but rank of AB, if I want to calculate the rank of AB, this row R1 is again non-zero, and this is also a non-zero row. That means here we are having R2 is what? Not completely nullity, that means it is partially nullity. So it converts the rank of A is 1, but in the case of rank of AB it is 2. That means what we can conclude here, rank of A is not equal to rank of AB. And what is the solution for this equation? The system 3 made the parallel lines and there is no intersection point, and that means there is no solution, and we have what derived? We have derived the concept of rank related with what? We have derived the concept of rank related with the simultaneous linear equation solution. So just revise it all. First, in very first case, for the unique solution, the rank of A is equal to rank of B, and again it should equal to number of the variables, right? Number 2, for infinite solution, we are having here the infinite solution, the rank of A and rank of AB should be same, but it should be less than what? It should be less than number of variables. In the case of no solution, rank of A is not equal to rank of AB. So you can write it down. What? If rank of A is equal to rank of AB, the system is consistent. It is having two solutions. First is unique solution we have derived here, and second is infinite solution. Okay. Number 2, rank of A is not equal to rank of AB, that means only here we are having the first case, only we are having the one case which is my favorite case, no solution. So in this kind of concept I will have the questions which have been asked in the GATE examination for the various branches in my next video. So go with this concept. This is what we have. We are not here anything, we just have here related with the ninth class concept. I am having here the concept of rank, that means we just have derived the concept of rank which is related with the equation solution of simultaneous linear equation. Thank you so much.